So this is what you get with the purchase. You get a discount for returning customers. You get appraisal document, which is, in my case, since I bought it on a discount, it's much higher than what I paid for. This is pretty good. This is a market estimate from the store of your item. This is pretty good. And this is the necklace itself. Again, this is the white gem grade freshwater pearl necklace, 7.5 to 8 millimeters. I was pretty impressed with the quality itself. I'm a first time buyer, but still really liked based on the other options I saw in other places as well. So this is pretty good value, good price. You get a nice box. This is how they look like. The quality is really good. It seems really good quality here. So those are the gem grades from Pearls of Joy. My wife really liked them, and this is the box you get. It is a nice box. You can store them. Pretty cool. Thank you.